Pancakeswap holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. So in this video I'm talking about the Pancakeswap price. You know what, my friends, the people ask me questions about the Pancakeswap, that when will the price increase, as there is chance to the price going to the moon or not. And you know what, my friends, the people ask me questions in the June month, is the price of cake coin increase in the June or not. So keep watching this video till the end. In this video I will answer your questions. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to click the subscribe button and like this video, my friends. At this time, the latest price of the K coin is 15.42 USD dollar. It's the latest price of the Pancakeswap in the market. 15.42 USD dollar. My friends, the pricing is going wrong. The last 1 hour, last 1 week pricing occur in the Pancakeswap is going wrong. Only the last 1 hour this time pricing is going positive, but the previous changes is going completely and the loss. Let me show you, my friends, the price chart of the K coin. Oh my goodness, the price of the Pancakeswap in the last 1 month is completely going falls down. You know what, my friends, just look at this change. The price of K coin falls down from 32 USD dollar to 15 USD dollar. The price falls down from 32 USD dollar to 15 USD dollar in the last 1 month. So that's a big loss of all K coin holders. That is why I recommend for everyone in my every video to it's time to hold, because in the previous time the price change is completely negative. That is why I'm suggesting for everyone to it's time to hold. Anyways, now at this time my prediction is going positive about Pancakeswap, and I believe that they will give you good amount of profit. That is why I recommend for everyone to it's time to hold. They will give you good amount of profit, only you have to hold, my friends. And what is your prediction? What is your opinion about Pancakeswap? Please also tell me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Thanks for watching this video.